Ever wondered why software architect appears on every list of the best jobs in tech, yet there's no clear path to becoming one? In this video, we break down why the software architect role is so unique, and why defining software architecture itself is harder than it seems. From evolving technologies like microservices and DevOps to the expanding scope of architectural responsibility, this video explores how the field has transformed and what truly defines great architecture. Why there's no clear career path for software architects. Unlike roles such as nurse practitioner or finance manager, software architecture lacks a well-defined path because the field itself is fluid, complex, and ever-evolving. 1. No single definition of software architecture. The industry cannot agree on a precise definition of software architecture. Even experts like Martin Fowler and Ralph Johnson avoid rigid definitions. Architecture is about the important stuff, whatever that is. The scope of what architects do is vast and keeps expanding. 2. Expanding scope of the role. A decade ago, architects mainly focused on technical aspects like components and modularity. Today, architects must also handle organizational, operational, and DevOps-related intersections, e.g., cloud, CI/CD, microservices, scalability. This makes the role broader and more strategic. 3. Constantly changing landscape. Software architecture isn't static. It evolves with technology trends. Old definitions like architecture choices are costly to change, no longer apply in modern paradigms like microservices, where changes are cheaper and incremental. Thus, any fixed definition quickly becomes outdated. 4. Historical context and lessons. Much existing architecture material is historical, full of outdated acronyms and past experiments. Many past architectural choices no longer work because context and technologies have changed, e.g., DevOps, open source. Every architecture reflects the constraints of its time. What was impossible in 2002 is trivial now due to cloud and automation. 5. Why revisit fundamentals now? The rise of DevOps, cloud computing, and open source has reshaped architectural thinking. Modern architects must rethink old axioms in light of these new realities. Understanding architecture requires understanding its context, technology, cost, tools, and culture. Defining software architecture. A complete definition involves 4 core dimensions. Structure of the system, the architectural style, e.g., microservices, layered, microkernel. Structure alone isn't enough to describe architecture. Architecture characteristics, non-functional qualities like scalability, performance, security, and resilience. These define success criteria beyond functionality. Architecture decisions, the rules and constraints governing system design, e.g., which layers can access the database. Variances may be allowed through a formal approval process. Design principles, guidelines, not hard rules, that help developers make informed choices, e.g., prefer asynchronous messaging between services. Subscribe for more videos on software architecture, microservices, Spring Boot, DevOps, and cloud engineering.